Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, so let's tap on it and then tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. Let me do it, and basically here we've got two different ways to clear the history. The fastest way kind of, and also not really deep cleaning, will be available by using bookmarks and history. So we have to tap on it simply, then tap on the history and tap on clear. Tap on clear, and as you can see we have no history here. However, if you want to perform some deep cleaning of your browser, then let's tap on the 4 dots icon again and enter the settings. And in advanced here we've got clear browsing data at the bottom. And as you can see here we've got more options, more advanced options like cookies, passwords, site settings or homepage news cache. Also cached pages, browsing history and input history. So if you want to remove them, just make sure that they are marked and tap on clear data. Confirm, and the data has been cleared successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your HUAWEI Nova 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.